Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kim Pete and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see by the title, I'm going to prepare chicken stew. So sit back, go into your kitchen and let's get cooking. So I'm going to put my ingredients on your screen and you know the vibes. Let's get going. This is delicious. And there you have it, guys. This is how I prepared my chicken stew. Be sure to check it out. Make sure to like this video, comment under the video, and subscribe. Share to your friends and your family. I don't know, but just like and subscribe and comments. You feel me? Yeah, I also made a TikTok of it, so be sure to
subscribe to my YouTube channel for the full video.